The black hole from Alton Towers is up for sale along with G-Force from Drayton Manor. However, the prices of these two roller coasters will absolutely shock you. Let's just say, if you sold a few houses, you may be able to buy one of these coasters. Okay, so let's start off with the black hole at Alton Towers. The black hole opened back in 1984 and closed in 2005 after it became a bit too costly for Alton Towers to maintain. It was a Jetstar 2 roller coaster designed and manufactured by the legendary Anton Towers. The black hole was then sold to a theme park in Sweden where the tent was removed and it was the same roller coaster, but instead of being inside, it was now outside. And you can see some pictures of the black hole now with all of its track outside, and it's just interesting to see it out of a dark building. It operated at this Sweden theme park from 21st of May 2011 to 2021. It was then removed from the park and replaced by a brand new roller coaster called Lightning. And yeah, ever since then, as listed on the Coasterpedia website, it's been defunct. However, one day I was scrolling through Facebook and saw that the ride was actually on sale on a website called amusementrides.com. They do used rides, refurbishments and assemblies of rides, and I saw a Jetstar 2 Schwarzkopf model. The pictures used here are actually the black hole when it operated at that Swedish theme park, and moreover, what confirms basically that it is the black hole is here it says it was refurbished in 2011, which is correct. The black hole was refurbished in 2011 by Gerstlauer Rides, and yeah, this is the black hole up for sale. The year of manufacturing is 1982. The black hole at Alton Towers opened from around 1983-1984 time, and while this does say 1982, this may be referring to the fabrication of the track, the manufacturing of the supports, stuff like that. So not actually when the black hole opened, but rather when it was actually manufactured. And I know the biggest question floating around in your mind right now is how much is the black hole from Alton Towers? Well, let's have a drum roll, please. It's 400,000 euros, which sounds a lot, but for a roller coaster, that isn't too bad, considering Alton Towers probably paid millions for it from Schwarzkopf. This isn't a bad deal. It was refurbished by Gerstlauer, a trusted manufacturer. Do you know what? Yeah, let's all save a bit. Let's buy some. Actually, right now, let's do some maths.
The quadratic formula is -b plus or minus the square root.
And see how much all of our subscribers need to save in order for us to buy the black hole. So here we go then. I've got my calculator out. Let's put 400,000, of course, the price of the black hole, divided by how many subscribers I've got? 3,000, but I put 3,001, of course, because it includes me. And then I'm a subscriber of myself. £133 roughly is how much each of us need to invest in a big pot, a big savings pot, in order to buy the black hole. That's actually doable. If you all save your pocket money, if you all save, you go out there, work at McDonald's or something, we can all save £133 and collectively buy the black hole. If any of your mates say, why would you buy that piece of junk? You stop them right there and you say, no, I'm not buying it, I'm not purchasing it. This is an investment. Secondly, it's not a piece of junk. This is the black hole from Alton Towers. So how about that? Although I won't be too sassy with them because you probably won't have any friends, but you know, who needs friends when you have the black hole in your back garden? Imagine someone just coming round, they open the back door and just see like a roller coaster in your back garden. How incredible would that be? But anyway, it's not just the black hole that's up for sale. A coaster that's very close to my heart is also up for sale. That of course is
G-Force at Drayton Manor.
G-Force opened at Drayton Manor on the 26th of July 2005 and closed back in 2018 after high maintenance costs. However, it has been uploaded up for sale, and G-Force is one of those coasters that just keeps moving website and it can't actually sell, unfortunately. But on this website we can actually see the price for G-Force. It's a Mara X-Car roller coaster. You don't see them about very much anymore. I think there's a clone of G-Force somewhere else in the world, but you don't actually get the X-Car coasters very much anymore. So G-Force is quite a unique ride in that sense. It was one of my first ever looping roller coaster, an inverting roller coaster, and I used to really enjoy G-Force, whether it was because I was younger or not and just really didn't feel the coaster as much and maybe be as critical as I am now. I remember really liking the Humpty Bump lift element where you go up on a chain, you slowly go through the inversion. That was really cool. The hang time at the top of that was awesome. Then you go through the rest of the ride layout. Nowadays, the ride layout isn't that great. It just consists of inversions and airtime hill. However, it was a good coaster for Drayton Manor. To be honest, I'd probably rather G-Force back than the wave swing attraction that they have now in Tidal Towers, rethemed G-Force so it goes in the Adventure Cove area, because Drayton Manor do need more thrill coasters, but G-Force was one of those. It was a good coaster for the park. It cost them a lot, I know that, in maintenance costs and everything, and that's why it ended up closing back in 2018. But I really enjoyed G-Force. It ran one train consisting of 2 carts, so it wasn't the best for throughput, but the ride was only about 45 seconds, so it wasn't really that long. I remember going on G-Force when I was quite young because it wasn't actually classed as like a thrill coaster, even though it had inversions, the Humpty Bump lift. The height restriction was like 1.35 meters, so you could of course be smaller and go on G-Force. Was it the best theme coaster? Definitely not. Was it the best experience of a coaster? Probably not, but did it have the uniqueness in the UK of having the Humpty Bump lift? Definitely. Before I show you the price, I want to play a game of higher or lower in the comment section down below. Do you think G-Force will be more expensive than the Black Hole or less expensive? Comment right now in the comment section down below, more or less. Let me know. Don't cheat, because you're just cheating yourself. Put in the comment section down below, higher or lower, and by how much. Let me know down below. Anyway, let's show the prices and see whether you got it correct. Well, G-Force is, drum roll please, more expensive than the Black Hole. It's 295,000 more than the Black Hole, making G-Force 695,000 euros to buy. Considering Drayton Manor pays something like £2.5 million for G-Force, and now it's 695,000 euros, I mean, that's crazy. Let's go out and buy G-Force. I think for me, I have more of a connection with G-Force, and I think it's actually a very cool coaster experience. And for 695,000 euros, you can't really complain. Let's get back out the calculator and see how that works out to the 3,001 of us. Okay, so I've got the trusty Google calculator back out. Let's put 695,000 in there. Yeah, I've got that right. Divided by 3,001. Let's see how much this comes out to. £231 roughly. I know I keep saying pound, but it is euros. 231 euros each of us we're gonna have to pay, so you're gonna have to put a bit more shifts in. It's a little bit more expensive than the Black Hole, probably gonna have to get more pocket money, stuff like that. So, you know, it's a little bit more expensive, but I think the extra price will really be worth it in terms of the thrilling experience. This is more of a thrill coaster. It has some inversions in there, the Humpty Bump lift. It'll be very cool. Of course, G-Force is this cheap because it needs a lot of work done. It hasn't operated since 2018. It just hasn't been bought by anyone. No parks want it, and it's because it needs a lot of maintenance done to it. Drayton Manor, they didn't want to carry on having G-Force at the park because it cost them a fortune to get the parts for it. So that's why it's been sold for such a low price. But, you know, we'll pay 695,000 euros and we'll have to do the work. So it might come out to more than 2.5 mil, you never know. But it is a Mara Rides coaster, quite a good manufacturer. They're not really known that much anymore for doing big thrill coasters. I mean, they do Spinball Whizzer, the spinning roller coasters. There we go, G-Force at Drayton Manor, 695,000 euros. I haven't actually converted that, so it will be a little bit cheaper in pounds. So there we go, there's some cost saving methods, I guess. But there we go, 2 classic rides in the UK theme park industry are up for sale on a website called amusementrides.com. I'll put the link in the description if you do want to go and check it out for yourselves. There's plenty more rides on this website, such as the... Oh, what's that? Oh, is that... Oh, no, we don't like that one. Oh, but we do like this one. Come on, Alton Towers. A Huss top spin. Oh, is that a funfair ride model? Oh, no, maybe not that one, Alton Towers. Yeah, no, not that one. No, no Retro Squad, no. But thank you so much for watching. Let's save up this money and let's buy G-Force. Where we're going to put it up, I have no idea, because I know for a fact no coasters are going in my back garden. Which would you rather buy, the Black Hole or G-Force at Drayton Manor? Let me know all of your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for 3,000 subscribers. Honestly, thank you so much. And yeah, next, let's try to make it to 4,000 subscribers. But with that said, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.